President Draupadi Murmu travelled by special train from Bhubaneswar to Berhampur and later visited Taptapani in Ganjam district, offering prayers at Ma Kandhuni Devi and Shiva temples. She will halt overnight at the Army Air Defence College, Gurabandha in Ganjam district. Flood conditions in Odisha continue to improve as water levels in the Mahanadi and other rivers recede. However, thousands in worst-hit villages remain marooned, facing waterlogging and disruption of essential services, even as relief operations continue across affected districts. The IMD has issued heavy rainfall warnings for 7 Odisha districts, forecasting thunderstorms and lightning across several regions over the next 2 days. Mayurbhanj is expected to receive the heaviest downpour, prompting authorities to remain on high alert for possible flooding. Odisha Police CID Crime Branch and the National Forensic Sciences University Bhubaneswar signed a 5-year MOU to strengthen cybercrime investigation. The agreement aims to enhance digital forensics, scientific policing and capacity building in tackling complex cyber threats across the state. Dr. Gyandev Yashwantrao Patil, noted educationist and former governor of Bihar, Tripura and West Bengal, passed away at his Kolhapur residence in Maharashtra. He was 90. Patil was widely respected for his contributions to higher education and public service. India has repatriated 274 fugitive criminals from 36 countries between 2021 and 2026. The Home Ministry said the Fugitive Economic Offenders Act 2018 and the technology-driven intelligence model have bolstered efforts to track offenders and strengthen global cooperation against fugitives. Parliament has passed the Registration of Births and Deaths Amendment Bill 2026 with Rajya Sabha's approval today. The legislation moved by Minister Nityananda Rai seeks stricter provisions for delayed registration and encourages timely reporting of births and deaths nationwide. On International Clouded Leopard Day, India unveiled the Clouded Leopard Conservation Action Plan. The framework focuses on securing habitats, restoring forest connectivity, strengthening scientific monitoring, and empowering local communities to protect one of Asia's most elusive wildcats. The second BRICS Anti-Corruption Working Group meeting began in Hyderabad alongside the Expert Network on Asset Recovery. Chief guest Rachna Shah urged stronger cooperation to trace fugitive offenders, support extradition, recover stolen assets, and close loopholes enabling illicit fund flows. After winning silver at the Commonwealth Games, Olympic medalist Neeraj Chopra will compete in the Lausanne Diamond League on August 21. Atletissima will feature 5 javelin superstars including recent Olympic and world champions, promising a high-quality contest.